In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is open up Chrome, and then on the top right, press these little dots. Now what we want to go ahead and do is find our Google Forms logo. And if you can't see it or anything like that, then all you got to go ahead and do is just go over here, and then we can just type in forms like so, and then you're going to see Google Forms sign in. Now, once you're here, all you're going to do is let's just, you can have a blank form or an existing form that you've already been working on. We'll just use contact information as an example. But once you open it, you're going to see a lot of different things. If we go over to settings, you're going to see more things here. But when you go to responses, it's going to show any responses you have. However, what you're also going to see is a link to sheets. It says sends responses to a spreadsheet. So we can create a new spreadsheet, or we can select an existing one. So what we're going to do is press create right there. It's then going to open up a spreadsheet. And then, yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.